Tired of watching others get rich online while you're stuck at zero? Let's talk about what's really going on. Here's the truth. Most beginners struggle to make money online because they expect instant results. The internet is full of promises. Get rich quick, easy cash, passive income while you sleep. But what they don't tell you is that it takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. Maybe you tried something once, didn't see results, and called it quits. Or you spent days researching but never actually started. Sound familiar? The secret? Start small, be consistent, and focus on building real skills. No magic formulas, no overnight success. It's about showing up every day, learning and improving. So if you haven't made money online yet, don't give up. You're not failing, you're just at the beginning of your journey. Keep going, keep learning, and remember, success online is possible, but only if you stick with it.